Yes, next, actually it is find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Passing through the point A 7, 11 and perpendicular to the line. To the line 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Careful. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 7, 11 and perpendicular to the line this. You have seen in the previous formula, equation of the line passing through the point but parallel to the line. Very simple method. Writing x term and y term same, only you have to calculate the constant. Here, find the equation of the line passing through this one, see, 7, 11. And it should be perpendicular to the given line, not parallel. It should be perpendicular. Find the equation of this line. Right? Let this one equation is given. Given line is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So no doubt you can find the slope of that line. What is the slope? Minus a by b minus 2 by 3. Slope of that line is minus 2 by 3. If m2 is the slope of the required line, what is the relation between them? That's all. Let me start one by one. Equation of the given line. Given equation of the line. Better to write like that. Given equation of the line. 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line. m1 equal to minus a by b. If m2 is the slope of the required perpendicular line, actually it is not given. Only they have given it is perpendicular, that's all. Slope is not given. Let me calculate. If m2 is the slope of the required perpendicular line, then m1 into m2 is minus 1. We have written in the beginning itself. If they are parallel, m1 and m2 are equal. If they are perpendicular, product of the slope is always minus 1. Then you can find m2. See, m1 is minus 2 by 3. m2 you have to calculate minus 1. Or m2 is minus cancels. Reciprocal 3 by 2 over. So m2 is also known 3 by 2. Finish. Slope is known. Point on the line is given. Why can't you use the formula? Slope point formula. Using slope point formula. Slope point formula. Which one? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. We can write equation of the required equation of the line. Required equation of the perpendicular line. What about this? x1 is passing through the point 7, 11, 7. y1 is 11. m is plus 3 by 2. m2 or m same. Equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Or cross multiplication, do it carefully. 3 into x minus 7. 2y minus 22, 3x minus 21. Same side, 3x minus 2y minus 21 plus 22, or otherwise 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Equation of the required perpendicular line is 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Now actually you got very simple method in the previous one, parallel line, correct no? How? Writing coefficient of x and y as it is, write k to find the value of k, put coordinates of the point on the line. That is for parallel line. What about perpendicular? Just to see here. Equation of the required given line is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals 0. What about the answer you got for the perpendicular line equation? It is 3x, just to see here, minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Whenever equation of the given line is 2x plus 3y plus 1, then the equation of the perpendicular line is just interchange. 3 becomes coefficient of x. 2 is the coefficient of y. Sign if it is positive, you have to write minus, that's all. Don't write 1, 1, same thing comes, don't say that. Automatically it came 1. But this constant is not known. We can write only the coefficient of x and y, remember. You are writing x and y coefficient same for a parallel line. Interchange the coefficient and put the opposite sign for a perpendicular line. Easiest method. See, let me do the same problem here within 2 or 3 steps. Equation of the required line, equation of the perpendicular line is given line, see the given line, immediately write like this, minus 2y, but we don't know the constant k. We know how to write the coefficient of x and y only. Interchange it with the change of sign. Since which point? 7, 11 lies on the line. Put x equal to 7, y equal to 11. You get 3 into 7 minus 2 into 11 plus k equal to 0. 21 minus 22 plus k equal to 0, or minus 1 plus k equal to 0, or k equal to 1. Required equation is, finish, 3x minus 2y plus k is 1. Answer is ready. See, 3x minus 2y plus 1. 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. For the parallel line, write same coefficient. For the perpendicular line, interchange the coefficient. In order to find k in both the cases, put the coordinate of the point on the line. Over. Yes? Shall I write the sixth formula then? Fifth one we have already written. Now the sixth one. In the last video you have written fifth one. Related to the parallel line you have written. Now sixth one, I have given this type of number, 6. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the equation of a line, then equation of any line perpendicular to this is of the form perpendicular line. Parallel you have to write ax plus by as it is. But here remember, b should be given to x, a should be given to y with the opposite sign. How to find k? Same procedure. To find k, put x and y coordinates of the point on the line. Shall I use this method? Same method, what you have done here. Example. Find equation of the line passing through, that is important, passing through 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line, 5x plus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Problem is ready. But you have to use second method. Or the formula I have written as a sixth, no? That formula you have to use in order to write the equation of the line. Only 2 or 3 steps, see. Required equation of the perpendicular line is, see, not necessary to find the slope, not necessary to find the slope of the required line. You need not use a point slope formula. Straight away write, required equation of the line is 7x, that is important. 5y, change of sign, minus. This is not known. Since 3, 2 lies on the perpendicular line, put x equal to 3, y equal to 2. What you get? 7 into 3, 5 into 2, plus k equal to 0. 21 minus 10, plus k equal to 0. 11 plus k equal to 0, or k equal to minus 11. Now write the answer. Required equation of the perpendicular line is x term 7x minus 5y, constant is minus 11 equal to 0. X and y terms can be written immediately according to the formula, interchanging the coefficient with the change of sign. Equation of the line passing through the point perpendicular to the line. Right? One more. Find the equation of the altitude passing through B 6, 11 and equation of the altitude passing through B 6, 11 in the triangle ABC, where A is 1, 2 and C is 10, 3. 10, 3 over. Read the problem correctly. Find the equation of the altitude. Let me draw the triangle here itself. Triangle ABC. Yes. A, B, C. Find the equation of the altitude. Remember, perpendicular. Altitude, height. Remember, it is perpendicular. Find the equation of the altitude. It passes through this. Line means it is a continuous one. Find the equation of this. Don't say this is the midpoint. That's why I have taken a little length more. So, this point, if you want, let me call it as T. How to find the equation of the altitude? Passing through B. Just a similar question to the previous one. Write the equation of this one. AC. Just interchange the coefficient and write the perpendicular line equation. Equation of AC is, let me write to vertices first. A is 1, 2. B is 6, 11. C is 10, 3. Right? Now, equation of AC. Equation of AC. Formula is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. x1 is coordinate of A, 1, y1, 2, x2, coordinate of C, 10, y2, 3. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Simplification. Y minus 2 equal to 1 by 9 x minus 1, or 9 into y minus 2 equal to 1 into x minus 1. 9y minus 18 x minus 1, or x minus 9y minus 1 plus 18 plus 17. Equation of AC is x minus 9y plus 17 equal to 0. Equation of AC. Now write the perpendicular line equation. Equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude. Just interchange. See, 9x. 1 into x becomes 1 into y. Change of sign means plus. Plus k equal to 0. Whatever sign is there, you have to change it. If it is plus, you have to write minus. If it is minus, write plus. To find k, what you have to do? Since altitude passes through B, coordinate of B, 6, 11. Put x equal to 6, y equal to 11. 9 into 6 plus 11 plus k, 0. (54, 11, k, 0) or k equal to minus 65. Therefore, equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude. 9x plus y minus 65 equal to 0, because it is the perpendicular line to the given side AC. Altitude always perpendicular to the base. So obtain the equation of AC, interchange the coefficient, calculate K, since it passes through B. Equation of the altitude. Obtain the equation of the line. But another method, actually you know the second method also. Just to find the slope of AC, calculate slope of the altitude, m1 into mt equal to minus 1. That can also be done. Slope point formula, that can also be used. Or shall we do that one also? Another method. Second method. Whichever method you find is easier, you can use that one. See, this method is slope of AC m1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus 3 minus y1, x2 10 minus x1 1, 1 by 9. Slope of AC, if you want x1 1, y1 2, x2 10, y2 3. Slope of perpendicular altitude. Altitude m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. See, I have written like this. m1 into mt equal to minus 1, or mt equal to minus 1 by m1. Minus 1 by 1 by 9, or it is minus 9. Now write equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude. Passing through B. B means coordinate 6 11. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Formula is this one. Y minus 11 equal to m is minus 9 into x minus x1 is 6. Or let me simplify here. Y minus 11 equal to minus 9x plus 54. Bring all the terms to the same side. 9x plus y minus 11 minus 54 minus 65 equal to 0. 9x plus y minus 65 equal to 0. There are two methods to the same problem. Writing the equation of the base AC, interchange the coefficient, one method. Another one is straight away find the slope of the perpendicular altitude, m2. After that use slope point formula. Using fifth and sixth formula, find equation of the problem number 1. It is homework. Find equation of the line passing through 8, 9 and parallel to the line joining the points A 1, 1 and B 8, 11. See the word parallel. Again from the perpendicular, another one. Find the equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 5, 3 and perpendicular to the line joining the points A 2, 3 and B 7, 10. Right? These are the two problems for you to work out.